Our top story tonight, worldwide, students dance to a repeated rhythm of sounds tapped as music, unknowingly sharpening the tools used to keep track of some cosmic events. The Center for Relativity and Cosmology is taking the steps to bridge the gap one lecture at a time. While some students learn through lectures, others learn through research. The Center for Relativity and Cosmology combined both in an attempt to bridge science and music.
Think more about music. I didn't think that music had so much to do with physics, essentially. So you wouldn't really think that deeply about it in the terms of physics, at least.
While the concept of relativity is often overlooked, it is essential to everyday life.
Relativity is so far the best description we have how gravity works. And well, stars are something that actually feel a lot of gravity. So how stars move through space, how stars evolve, the nature of the universe, how the universe have evolved in time itself.
Regardless of where you are on campus, important and impactful conversations are taking place. But the impacts of this lecture drew waves of students and faculty to this building.
Like the thing that is very nice about astronomy is how humbling it is, like to actually appreciate like how big the universe is, how complex it is, but at the same time how beautiful it is.
Getting involved in astronomy requires no physical traits. It's all about the traits that can't be measured.
It's not necessarily about how much you do research-wise, it's more about how you love it and the passion that you put into it.
The Center for Relativity and Cosmology and the Astronomy Club will continue to meet throughout the semester. The Center for Relativity and Cosmology and the Astronomy Club's next talk is the Henrietta Leavitt Talk, set for April 17th at 6 p.m.